Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about Webtalk, okay? It's a new social media platform um, that came out no more than 2 years ago, okay? It's still fairly new and in beta. Now, the reason why I'm telling you that is it's a platform like no other, okay? So, um, it's not publicly owned like Facebook or Instagram and TikTok. Okay. So with that being said, you have to build your following. What I mean by that is instead of having people follow you to build up the algorithm, which on this platform there is no algorithm, we have to build it ourselves. We have to build a following by following the actual people, not follow, unfollow, but actually following the people and building the community that way. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm going to show you the easiest way of doing this. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to our founder and our CEO's page, RJ Goldbridge. Okay, we're going to type that in. Here it's loading, and then type in that RJG just for short, and then you could um, go on this timeline. Okay, and you're going to go up here and then you see it says followed by 1.21 million people. So there's a reason for that. So as soon as someone joins WebTalk, they're gonna follow him. Okay, it's automatically gonna be that way. All right. So I suggest you follow 50 to 100 people per day. Okay, to build your following. All right. So all you have to do is just click on this link here. Okay. And then you just go down the list. Okay. Now I started doing this already a couple months back, and I'm already at over 1,000 followers. Okay. So keep in mind you don't want to click on anyone without a picture. Okay. So we only want to click on serious people. Okay. So we'll go down the list here. So you're just gonna keep on doing this for about 5 to 10 minutes, or if you see someone that you want to follow. Okay, so for example, we'll just start following these people and we just keep doing that. Okay, like I said, we have to build our own following. There's no algorithm yet. We have to create it. So we just keep doing that. Follow active members, and that's how you're gonna build your engagement and your following. And I'll show you my results with that as well too. Okay. Let me go to my profile and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. My timeline, over 288 posts. See here, I'm getting engagement. So I'm followed by 1.28K people. So I have pretty much almost 1,300 followers. I'm following 2.65 thousand, but on this it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go down the timeline. Okay. And I have gotten YouTube subscribers off of WebTalk as well too, just by posting. So 11 views, 10 likes and comments, and you're getting paid by WebTalk just by doing this. Okay, just by me posting my YouTube videos on here. So got comments here by Sean saying great job. More comments. The more comments, the better. You get paid by comments, likes, and shares as well too. Okay. And I'm posting some other stuff on here too, just value, post value as well too. All right, post my little logo up here. Right. Now that's all you have to do is, like I said, just build your following like that. Now, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube page, go ahead and click the link below, and or I'm sorry, go ahead and click the link at the top when you once you join Webtalk. There's going to be a link to subscribe to my channel as well too. All right, have a good one, YouTube.